I got a mystery suitcase from my friend Jenny full of goodies for me to sell in my booth. Do you want to see what I found inside? Let's get started. As you saw in the trunk of my Jeep, I got a suitcase full of goodies from my friend Jenny, and I am so excited to show you this. This is so fun. They had a garage sale, and stuff that didn't sell, she packed it up for me, and I get an installment every week. I'm not sure how much there's gonna be, so let's get started and I'll show you everything I got. It's all around me. First off, I got this gravy boat, and this is Fiesta. It says Fiesta, made in the USA. All of this stuff will be for sale unless I let you know. And this, I think, looks like Fiesta. It says Homer Laughlin on the bottom, and I think Homer Laughlin made Fiesta. So if you know anything about that, let me know. This is for your huge cup of coffee in the morning. It's humongous, and it's very heavy too. I got one of these choppers, and it works very well. A lot of times I see these at the Hartville Thrift and they don't work right anymore. And it also has the thing in the bottom for like the striking plate. I don't know what you call it. I got a couple bells. This one is silver, or it looks like it's silver. And I don't see anything. Oh wait, there is something on the edge here. Oh my goodness, it's Avon. Ha! Yeah, it's Avon, and then it says, I think it says silver plate. What a pretty bell sound. We found the Avon. There's that bell, and then there's a, oh, this one doesn't have any ringer in it, but it's pretty. Crystal maybe. And then this is a hand-painted plate. That's hard to say. And I thought maybe that was Avon when I first saw it, but it just says hand-painted on the back. So that looks like milk glass with a really cool design around the edge. Then I got a little bit of brass here. This brass planter, or you could use it for anything you want, like a little decor item, or you could put dried flowers in it or store something in it. What would you do with it? Let me know in the comments below. And here's another bell. I don't know anything about her. If you do, you can let me know in the comments. Let me see if this one says Avon. No Avon. No markings. I did get more Avon though. I love this, and I think somebody's gonna love this in my booth. Blue and white is very popular right now. This, first I found this and I saw Avon on the bottom of it, and then I saw this. This says Skin So Soft Bath Oil. I don't think there's nothing in there, but that will be for sale. I got a couple Mexican pottery pieces. This one says La Roca Restaurant Bar, Puerto Vallarta, something, Jal, maybe Al, A-L, Mexico. And there's the inside. And then also I got this piece. It looks like a sombrero, and it says Restaurant El Patio. And then it says 2/4/84. That looks like the date that it was made, maybe. I don't know if you can see the writing around the edge. That's kind of cute. I didn't know if they went together at first, but I don't think so. And then I got this pretty. This is Avon Somewhere cream sachet. Does anybody remember the cream sachet? Maybe your mom had it from Avon. Mine sure did. Let's see if there's any in there. Oh, it's beautiful inside and very clean. So that would be just like for a little trinket box. And look at this. This is for shaving, but it's an Avon decanter. The tag is gone from the bottom. I'm assuming it's Avon. Yeah, it says Avon on the bottom. So somebody that collects the shaving brushes might like that. And here's another Avon piece. This one says cream sachet and it's sweet honesty. I'm gonna try to open it and see. Ooh, yeah, that's, we're gonna have to get that out of there. It's solidified, but look how cute this is. Isn't that precious? I love that. Another piece of Avon. This is Topaz Cologne. Swans are kind of popular now, and this one has its own crown. So that might be something that somebody would like in my booth. And this, let's see. Yep, it's Fenton. The lady's shoe, and it's milk glass, and it's hobnail. Very nice. No chips that I can see or imperfections. Does anybody collect those? Let me know in the comments below. And then this, at first I thought it was the top of a fairy lamp maybe. But then I turned it over and it looks like it's just maybe a little drinking glass or goblet. I'm not sure about that. And I have this little pitcher. These are really handy. In fact, I have one in my laundry room that I use for my liquid laundry soap, and then I could just pour it out into the little measuring cup. These are good for syrup as well. And this is an item that I had when I was a little girl. It's from Avon and it's Betsy Ross. I had these little collectibles of dolls or like people, and they would always turn color. This started out as white and then it turned yellow. So I guess that's just what the plastic did. But let me know in the comments below. Should I keep this for my red, white, and blue patriotic decor? Yes or no? Vote for me below and let me know. Now for the next item, I think these might be a sugar and creamer. I'm not sure. This could just be a little pitcher. And I'm not sure if that's a creamer because there's not any lid, and it's really kind of tall for that, so don't know. And this has no markings on the bottom that I can see. It looks like the bottom to a butter dish. So I don't know exactly what that would be used for other than butter. And I have a couple little cups. This one and this one as well. And one more piece of Avon. This is Barber Pole Wild Country. That's really cute. My brother likes Wild Country. It says Avon Barber Pole, but that one's empty. I think that's everything. Oh, one more thing. I got a baggie of goodies here. I'll show you what's in there. It looks like the Pillsbury Doughboy. I think I have these same Valentines, or if not, something very similar. I think they were from back in the day on Little Debbie's, and then you cut them out. You can see, yeah, you can see the dotted line that you cut out. These are really cute. Oh, this one's sweet. Valentine, I go for you. And I love you very much. Look, it says Little Debbie's. I was right. I remember that. And this one says, Valentine, you oughto be mine. And look at the license plate. It says, you are a cutie. Very sweet. And then, I'm not going to show you every single one of those, but then there's these Pillsbury ones. Here's the back. It says, Valentine, you're the icing on my cake. Valentine, you're yummy to my tummy, be mine. I like this one. Look who's popped up to say Happy Valentine's Day. That's cute. Okay, there's those. I think that's everything. So let me share my favorite items. I love this gravy boat. And also my other favorite has to be some Avon because I got a lot of Avon. Look how cute this is. Look how cute this is. I love this Avon. Boy, I'm getting good at catching these things when I about drop them. I have something for sale from my channel this week. These have been in my booth for a while. They are Fiesta glasses. And I have these priced individually at $5 each. So there's 6 of them that are available, and you could buy as many as you want. If you are interested, just let me know, as always, by sending me an email. I'll put that up on the screen, and you can do it that way, or you can also send me a message through Instagram. That's it for my haul from Jenny. Thank you so much, Jenny. I'm super thrilled to have this opportunity to get this stuff, for all of this inventory for my booth. Thank you so very much. I love it, and I'm excited to see what I can do with it in my booth. If you would like to tell me your favorite, please let me know in the comments below. That's it for today. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye-bye.